Hello students, how are you? I'm your chemistry teacher Ashok Singh, and today I'm going to teach you photoelectric effect. Actually this topic is from class 11th chemistry from the chapter structure of atom. So before we study what is photoelectric effect, I'm going to give you its brief introduction. Photoelectric means photo means light, electric means electron. So what is photoelectric effect? It is the emission of electron from the surface of some metals when the light of suitable frequency strikes on it. Okay, so in the theoretical part we will going to do its derivation and its exact concept. Okay, let's do it. This is a live demonstration of photoelectric effect. In this experiment, as shown, there is a metal piece and a receiver which is placed right in front of that metal plate. Okay, what happens then? When a beam of suitable frequency strikes on this metal piece, what happens then? These electrons get ejected and the receiver detects these electrons. These electrons flows through the conducting wire. As bulbs start glowing, it proves that there is movement of some electrons. Okay, now I am going to give detail of photoelectric effect, which is as follows. Okay students, let us study this experimental demonstration for the concept of photoelectric effect. Watch it carefully. Suppose this is a discharge tube or some apparatus. Here some metal piece is present, and on other hand one detector is present. Okay, watch it carefully. What happens when the light of suitable frequency strikes with this metal surface? This is a metal surface. Then what happens? The electron will eject out and move away from this metal surface, and this detector detects the incoming electrons. This is a detector. And what is this? This is a metal piece. Okay, this is a positive terminal of the battery and this is a negative terminal of the battery. Okay, now what happens? This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Obviously electron have negative charge and it will start moving towards positive charge. Why? Because the opposite charge always attract each other. But there is a condition for photoelectric effect. All the radiations are not able to eject the electrons from the metal surface. Only those radiation which have suitable frequency. What is the meaning of suitable frequency? Its frequency should be greater than threshold frequencies. This nu is the frequency of incident radiation and this nu naught is the frequency of threshold frequency. I will teach you later on what is this threshold frequency. Okay, this is photoelectric effect. So what is the exact definition of photoelectric effect? The phenomenon of ejection or removal of electron, ejection or removal of electron from surface of some metals. Not all metals are able to eject electrons, some metals. When a light of suitable frequency, you can write in this bracket that nu should be greater than nu naught, strikes on it. This is the exact definition of what? Photoelectric effect. Okay, now I am going to explain what is the derivation, how to derive that relation of photoelectric effect. Suppose there is a metal surface and the electron is present here. When the light strikes on it, this electron moves up to surface, some work is to be done, that is the work function, that is nu naught. This is what? This is work function. And the electron eject out having some kinetic energy. This is the energy of incident radiation, and this is the energy of kinetic energy of ejected electron. Okay, now this energy of incident radiation is equals to that work function plus kinetic energy. Okay, now we know that according to Planck quantum theory, E, what is E? E is equals to h nu. Put the value in our above equation, it becomes h nu, it becomes h nu naught plus Ke. So Ke becomes h nu minus h nu naught. H is a constant, nu minus nu naught. This is the relation of photoelectric effect, or you can also write kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Here h is Planck's constant. I know that you are aware of this constant. Its value is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule seconds. And what this nu and nu naught is? This nu is the frequency of incident radiation, and nu naught is the threshold frequency. Okay, suppose there is an electron and it requires a minimum frequency of suppose 20 hertz or 20 second inverse to get removed from any surface, and the light which falls on it have frequency 19 second inverse. Will this electron be removed out? No. Why? Because its frequency is 19 and threshold frequency is 20. So to remove the electron, the frequency of incident radiation must be greater than threshold frequency. So what is the definition of threshold frequency? The threshold frequency is the minimum frequency needed or required to eject electron from metal surface. Okay, watch this expression once again. K is equals to h nu, h bracket nu minus nu naught. This Ke is the kinetic energy of ejected electrons. I am highlighting this Ke. This Ke, there is a note, write down. You have to write it down. You can also take screenshot of this concept. Number one is the kinetic energy of ejected electron is independent of what? Intensity of light or radiation. So kinetic energy does not depend upon the intensity of light. So when we plot a graph between kinetic energy of ejected electron with the intensity, this straight line appears which is parallel to what? X-axis. It means the value of kinetic energy become constant. It means the kinetic energy does not depend upon the intensity of light, but on other hand it depends upon the frequency of light. So if we again plot graph between kinetic energy of ejected electron and the frequency, this type of graph appears. It means as we increases energy, frequency of radiation, the kinetic energy goes on increasing. It means kinetic energy is directly proportional to frequency. Greater the frequency, more will be the kinetic energy, and lesser the frequency, lesser will be the kinetic energy of ejected electrons. And this minimum frequency from here to here, this is what? This is threshold frequency. This is the complete topic of photoelectric effect. I am again scrolling down. Kindly you can take a screenshot or make the notes. This is photoelectric effect. This derivation is very important from the numerical point of view. Okay, thank you very much.